let's turn left right here. So I want you to pull into that road right there to your left, okay?
Inside?
Yes, pull into this area right here. I want you to pull forward, do your turnabout right here.
Yeah, okay. Straight?
I want you to do your turnabout right there.
Okay.
Hi friends, this is Jay Eichmann, YouTube channel, Road Test Success. What the heck is a turnabout? This student is unclear. I'm unclear. I had to do some research. And because of not understanding that jargon, he may very well fail this test.
All the way?
So let's try it one more time. I want you to do the turnabout right here.
One more time.
I want you to do the turnabout. That's what I want you to do.
3-point turn?
So I'm not allowed to call it anything but a turnabout. I want you to do the turnabout.
So we'll see the rest of this maneuver here as we proceed through the entirety of the test, but let's start out at the beginning with the pre-vehicle safety inspection.
All right, do you have your proof of insurance?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is another closed course test. We've gotten a few of these in over the last few weeks here at the channel. We're going to finish this safety inspection and talk about a few more items and then get going into the test course.
All right, you ready to get this thing done? All right, you put all that up. First thing we want to do is start with your safety checks. Blow your horn for me. Right signal. Left signal. Leave that on, Henry.
Oh.
Left signal. Right signal. Turn it on, tap your brakes.
So although we're not actually driving the vehicle, this safety inspection is definitely part of the exam. And you can absolutely fail if you don't know where these controls are if the car doesn't function.
And you doing okay?
We push.
Yeah, I gotta fix mine.
Sorry.
That's all right. It's all right. All right, man. You got any questions, anything like that?
Yeah, good.
All right. Let's pull out and take a left.
Should I close the window?
If you turn the AC up higher.
Yeah, it's too hot.
All right, let's take a left.
So this is a closed course driving exam, not necessarily a perfect realistic exam, but it is complicated and they are difficult. This student struggles with some of the instructions. You'll see there's some left-hand, right-hand turn issues,
Yeah, right here, let's turn left again.
which could be considered critical errors if you don't follow the instructions of the examiner. And then, of course, there's this
And we're gonna go
turnabout
straight.
incident that's coming up. All in all, an interesting test. Definitely worth time watching.
So any speed limit I need to follow here?
Well, I can't tell you. You're supposed to know. But just, you're driving a good speed, it'll be fine. All right, then we're going to turn right up here. I'm going to have you pull over to the side of the road for me right here to park. If it's safe and clear, we're going to pull out and head straight. Right down here, take a left. to right. Then turn right into student parking.
Yeah.
Yep. Keep going straight. And staying in this lane, come to a smooth stop right here for me. Alright, now back up safely until I tell you to stop.
Straight?
Yep, just in a straight line. Alright, you can stop. And we're going to head straight. Alright, let's turn left right here. So I want you to pull into that road right there to your left, okay?
Inside?
Yes, pull into this area right here. I want you to pull forward, do your turnabout right here.
Yeah. Okay. Straight?
I want you to do your turnabout right there.
Okay. All the way?
So let's try it one more time. I want you to do the turnabout right here.
One more time.
I want you to do the turnabout. That's what I want you to do.
3-point turn?
So I'm not allowed to call it anything but a turnabout. I want you to do the turnabout.
So, in my research, there are 4 states that use this terminology turnabout. And essentially, what they're talking about is a 3-point turn. But interestingly,
So we need to go back.
It's called a turnabout. I can't tell you how to do it. I'm not allowed to. I'm giving you a test. So
Oh, okay.
it's called a turnabout.
because they call it a turnabout and not a 3-point turn, you can do more turns than 3 points. You could do it in more or less turns than 3 points. Now, the states that use this phrase are Kentucky, Georgia, Florida, and Rhode Island. Strangely, Kentucky exclusively uses this term in their driver's handbook. Another fun factoid is that the country of Ireland also uses the phrase turnabout to describe essentially a 3 or
Right here, turn right.
point turn.
And I want you to parallel park right here. All right, let's go. You're good. Take a left. So left. Let's go ahead and finish your right turn. Then we're going to head straight.
So this is definitely something that could be considered a critical error. Obviously, the student would not have used the correct turn signal, didn't follow instructions. It seemed like they maybe crossed the center line there on that turn.
Right, stop sign, turn right.
But ultimately, the examiner has a bit of discretion. It does appear that this student is a safe driver, an attentive driver, just maybe some language barriers issues.
Go straight.
So let's see what happens.
Take a left. And we're going to go straight. Pull over to park right over here, just past the tree. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points is what you lost. So you passed it.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.